Okay, so we're continuing on with our chapter 14 lecture. As a reminder, on Wednesday we finished practice exercise 2, where we wrote our K expression. So expression means writing the products over reactants raised to their coefficients for both of these reactions. So you look at your notes for those answers. And now we're going to start and look at what does the value of K mean. So K, remember, stands for products over reactants. Let's see if I can write. So whenever you see K, think K equals products over reactants raised to the coefficients. But for, just in general, think products over reactants. So what does that mean? If K is a really big number, that means the number upstairs is larger. So you have more products than reactants, or products are favored. So if K is like 4,000, you have significantly more products than reactants. If K is much smaller than 1, that means the number downstairs is larger, or you have many more reactants. So for example, maybe you have 5,000 reactants. Or if K is 0.005, you know that you have many more reactants than products. So large K, products predominate is a term that is used, or you have mostly products in your container. K is very, very small. That means you have mostly reactants in your container.